Hey, this is Atster2000 with another LEGO review. Today we will be looking at LEGO Creator, LEGO Creator Sonic Boom. So yeah, here it is. Big set. So yeah, that's it. Huge set. Got your tail fin here. This part right here is supposed to be this and this, but I couldn't find the other one of this. So this is just, I'll show you how to make that part if you can't find that part. I doubt you don't have that part, but still. So, yeah. It'll be like this, and you should have another one of those to go right there, but I didn't have that, so I made it a special way. I took one of these and put it on the end, like the start of that would be. Then I took a 1x2 brick, put it on, another 1x2 brick, put it on. Look, same exact height. And then for your top, all you have is this, and this. You're really supposed to use 2 transparent 1x1 plates, but I didn't have those, so I have a red 1x1 plate and a transparent stud, or red stud. And then a 1x1 tile, that's white. You put your 1x1 tile right here. Then your 1x1 plate and your 1x1 thingy, put it there, and then put this on top of that. And there's another way to build the top part. So yeah, and then that connects here. These are 10 plates. 10 1x2 with not the it's not the 2 studs, it's the 1 stud. So these 10 of these. So yeah. Okay, so that's that. Then you have, then you have these right here, which move on both sides. So yeah. Then you have flaps here, here. I used red on that one and black on that one. They're supposed to be both gray, but I didn't have those, so I used red and black, and because it's cooler. And then here's our wings, pretty huge actually. Then you go to your front, and you have these, both sides. And then this front part comes like, this is how it shows you to build it. And I don't think that looks good, so I add same color cone, and that looks more of a jet. And that goes right here. And then for your cockpit, you can open this switch right here, and pull forward, and that opens the back. You can pull it up a little more, and then you have to take off the front. And a person can sit in it. I repeat, can. Here's a dude. See? You're right there. He actually fits with his helmet on. So yeah, there he is in there. Got these air vents, side vents, whatever you want to call them. And then to the main, well, before we get to that, let's show the landing gear. To open it, well, to close this one, just push it back. Then on these two, you have to pull that up, push down, close, push down, close. So there it is without landing gear, and then to open it, just boop, like that, and like that, and that's open. It's best to take this off because it'll just pop right off anyway. And now to the main feature of the set. It does have the new light brick. And that is the feature, and it is right here in the jet engines, or the turbines, or what are they called? Thrusters? No. Whatever they're called. They're in these. Okay, so what you do is that same switch that you used to put forward, and that did the cockpit, just pull it back. So here's the main set or feature. See it? One is going out, which stinks. But if you turn it a weird way, only one can go on. So it's like when it's smoking, see? I can't figure out how to put the other one on, but yeah, so there's the main feature. And that's basically it for this set. It's a very nice set. Actually, let's show you the light brick real quick. To get to the light brick, all you need to do is take that off, take this off, this off, and this off, and then this off, and this off, and this off. And here's your light brick. When you hit the switch, activates that, and there's your light. And this is the switch. Push it forward, cockpit comes up. Push it back, activates the switch. So yeah, here's a quick look at that. And to put it back together, come on, Cam. Kind of blurs out on me sometimes. Come on. There. Just take this piece, hit it right back on there, and take these pieces, put them back to where they go. Hang on. Okay, and then you take this piece and put it here. Then this piece, put it here. And this piece, put it here. And you can put this back. Perfect. And then there. So there's Creator Sonic Boom right there. Okay, let me put the tripod back on. I tightened it up if you saw my review of the Lego / Kobe helicopter. I finally got the tripod to tighten up, so yeah, that's why it's working well all of a sudden. Well, I hope you like this video. Hope it gave you some useful information. I love this set. Don't forget to rate and subscribe. Peace out, and Adster out.